Really quick video, maybe to help you out. I didn't get to feel comfortable leaving you how I did. So right here, oh, sorry, it's gonna focus on my hand. Right here, you could see that both the coefficients of the variable are negative. So we have a -2 and a -6. So right away, you should know that you have a special cases problem. So I'm going to solve them now. It's gonna zoom in on my hand. So here, I'm circling my 2. Maybe if I come down a little bit. Okay, because that doesn't belong on that side. So I'm gonna bring down my -2x. I'll zoom out. I'll move my hand. And my 10. And then bring over my +2 as a -2 over here. Okay, I'm just gonna move that so it'll refocus on the screen. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to combine terms. So 10 minus 2 will give me 8. So on the left, I have my -2x, and is less than 8 on the right. So -2x is less than, and then this is an 8 on the right. Okay, so, oh, good. All right, so now I'm going to divide both sides by a -2. Since I'm dividing by negative, since there's a negative in front of your variable, your inequality flips. So instead of it being a less than, it's a greater than. All right, so 8 divided by -2 is -4. All right, so that's the answer to that inequality. Or over here, oh my goodness. Again, you have a negative, so you have to flip your inequality. So in my answer, I'm gonna have x is greater than or equal to, okay? Because you need to flip that inequality because the number in front of x is negative. So in this case, I'm going to divide both sides by -6. They'll cancel, and you're left with x. That flips, and 18 divided by -6 is -3. Okay. Now, I told you that you have to go with, if they're both greater than, you go with the smaller number. Okay. So the smaller number between -4 and -3 is -4. So your answer is x is greater than -4. So over here, let me just put that. So for greater than, or so if they're, oops, I should have said both. Greater than or equal to, you take inequality with the smaller . Okay. Now, they ask you to graph it. So since they ask you to graph, all you're doing is graphing this. So you have -5, -4, -3. So it's an open circle, either above or on -4, and you're shading to the right. So you're graph is either going to look like this, right on the line, or you're going to just point. All right, I hope that this clears it up, and short and sweet video is helpful. All righty, have a good weekend.